Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to draw a little baby shark. Baby shark do 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 do. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of a new crafty fun videos and drawing when they come out. We are gonna first start with the drawing its mouth. So I'm going to come right here and draw a soft curve for a pretty big mouth, and then I'm gonna connect it with the deeper curve. So something like that. Let's go inside and draw the teeth. So I'm going to make it a little bit easier and just start right in the center. So I'm going to make them kind of not too sharp, just little bit friendlier. So I'm going to start with the first one and then I'm going to get a smaller, so as I go to the side, and then we are going to draw the bottom one there. So then now let's go above this mouth. And then we are going to draw the eyes. So come slightly a little bit above and we are just going to draw a big circle. And same thing on this side. So let's make them draw so cute eyes in here. So we are going to add two small circles for highlight and a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top, like from this two small circle in this. Now we have a so cute eyes. So I'm going to color in my eyes. I'm going to color in the big circle and then I'm going to leave the little circle white. So now we are going to draw the top of its head. So I'm just going to come out a little bit kind of like where it started with the eyes and going to come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a big curve over the eyes. And just going to come about right here. I'm just going to draw a big curve over the eyes. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. just going to find my points, say about right here, same thing on the other side, and I will come about right here, so it's easier to me to draw my curve. But if you're drawing really small, you can just go ahead and draw one big curve. So let's continue this curve down and close to the mouth area, and I just draw the head here and bring it in. So we are going to bring it to about the same level, leaving the center point. Let's come back to the mouth, and we are just going to draw a slight curve out. So imagine this line is continuing out and slight curve down just to separate the colors on the face there. Now we are going to draw two little oval for the nose. Now we have to draw the body. So now that these two lines are pretty even and center is open, I'm going to come about right here, and we are going to start the draw the body. So from this right here, I'm going to just to curve down, and same thing over here. So I'm going to continue this curve down, just give a slight curve out about this much, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it back. And then let's come to the top right here, right in the center we are going to draw the fin. So right here, go up and come back down there. Now we got our shark. We need to draw another curve right there. And we are going to start to draw the fin. So come out, then we are going to round it off and bring it back in, and we have to draw the another curve outside. And we have to apply the same thing on this side, round it off and bring it in and connect with the border line. Now we are going to start to draw the tail, and same thing over here. Let's just come in here, draw a curve all the way, and it's going to taper down to the tail there. So then in this area you are going to start to draw the tail right here. Just come out of a curve, bring it back to the center, and now bottom part and bring it back to here and connect. Now we have to add some bubbles here, like 1, 2 or 3, you as you wish, how many you want. And I will add a little heart right here. So our shark is completed, and now we will fill the colors. This is how we can draw the little cute baby shark. I hope you enjoyed the drawing of a little cute baby shark. If you like the video, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification to be alerted of a new crafty fun videos when they come out. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye.